Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a new product from a company called PULWTOP, which was the same lineup as the dock, the Thunderbolt 4 dock that I've been looking at, and also my external hard drive enclosure for my iPhone 16. So this is unique. I've not seen a product like this on the market before. So what it is it's a tablet stand or a small piece laptop stand with a built-in, as you see, it sort of stands up like this. And it has 3 adjustment levels on it like that. It just clips down like that into there. And it has basically gives you, there's a USB-C cable in the bottom here which pops out. And it all feels really high quality. That clicks into there. So that then clicks into your tablet or laptop, and it gives you lots of storage and expansion options on the port-wise of things on for your tablet or your mini laptop or anything like that, which is really nice to have. It feels really nice quality. So it retails for about £89, probably about £80. Has some really unique features on it. So without getting into further ado, let's get into this review and have a look at what features this dock has on it and who it might be for and who should buy it. So let's get into this review and find out how this dock works and who is it for and what products it supports. So what I'm going to show you here is I've got an Honor Magic 2 tablet, an Honor Magic Pad 2 tablet, which I'm currently reviewing at the moment, and I absolutely love it, and a full review is coming to the channel soon. So I'm going to show you how it attaches to this dock. So basically you just literally drop it like that onto the dock, and the USB cable here, which will just move that around that side there. So you see here, the USB-C cable there just attaches into the dock like so. And now the dock and the laptop will recognize, or the computer or the tablet will recognize having a connection by USB-C and the ports on the dock we've got available. So as you can see here, you've got a tablet hooked onto it with so let's look at the ports, what it gives you. So first of all, you've got a USB-A port, so you can connect a mouse into this, which is really helpful. You've got an SD card reader and a micro SD card reader, which is really, really useful because a lot of tablets, obviously no tablets come with these built in anymore or anything like that. Safe to buy an adapter anyway, so that's really good. You've got a 10 gigabits per second USB-C port, which is really nice to have, and a 10 gigabits per second USB-A port as well. And on the back, you've got the power supply for the USB-C, which is really nicely located, a headphone microphone jack, and a HDMI output. So not all tablets support the HDMI output. So just to make you aware, this Honor One, for example, does not support the HDMI output, only supports wireless streaming. But the iPad Mini, which I've got over there, that supports the HDMI 4K, no problem, and it worked really well when I tried it. I had no issues with it at all. Underneath, so we'll just detach the tablet for now. Pop that over here. So underneath there is a nice option to include a external SSD. So you can put a SSD hard drive into there, up to 2 or 3 terabytes, and then you've got storage built into the stand, which you can drag and drop from your tablet into the storage here or from your laptop. And you can even then basically just fold the dock down like so. Really easy, like that, and then fold it all away. So it's great for traveling this because you can literally just fold it up and pop it in your bag. And if you're not charging it, the tablet will power the actual dock as well, so you don't even need to use an external power supply. And then you've basically got a mini hard drive built into it. You can take it out and about with you and plug in by USB-C here to any device and transfer files around easily from that hard drive. So it gives you, it's basically like having a portable hard drive. So you can put 2 or 3 terabyte SSD in there and then use it as your portable hard drive for content creation or video editors on the move. This is a really good idea, I think, by PULWTOP because it's so small and it supports up to, I'd say, about a 13-inch laptop. So I wouldn't think anything bigger than that would go on it because it just kind of, the 15-inch one doesn't quite fit. So I've got here a sort of 13-inch the 14-inch MacBook Pro. So shall we see if it will go on the dock? So we'll just expand it like so. Put it down there. So I'll just move the Honor tablet out of the way. So this is a 13-inch tablet, the Honor one, so it is quite large. and it fits on. There you go. So you've got a 14-inch MacBook Pro. Also, you can plug into there, and then you can use the cable. It feels really solid, actually. Amazingly, just move the camera a bit so you can see it. Amazing how solid it actually feels on the stand. So I've got no problems whatsoever with it supporting that. And you could use that out and about with an external hard drive built in. So I would say it probably wouldn't fit the 16-inch model on. So I think the limit is going to be on the 14-inch size or the 13-inch MacBook Air, but no problems whatsoever fitting on there. As you can see, it literally just slides on and off. And that's really easy. You've got all those ports then on that for your tablet or for your MacBook or any smaller Windows laptop. So a great product for travel, I would say. So what I've done here on this stand is I've set it up with my iPad mini. So you can see the sort of power this gives you. The stand enables the iPad mini to turn into basically like a little laptop. So I could have a mouse, like the Apple Magic Mouse here, just there. A keyboard, like that. And I've now got, essentially, a full laptop setup for travel with the iPad mini plugged into my 4K monitor here via the back on the HDMI output here, and I've got it via the USB-C here, and it goes to the my external hard drive underneath as well. And I've also got an SD card reader still, and the power supply going into it, charging at full rate for the iPad mini. And I've also got an external SSD built into the stand. So this gives you so many options. You can basically just use this dock for travel. So the only issue I had, so I did mention I could use it with the MacBook Pro over there, and I did try doing that just now, connecting the dock into it. But the USB-C cable here is just a little bit too short to plug into the actual Mac's USB-C port on the side. So you'd have to buy an extender or an extension to plug it in, which is fine because the tablet dock is designed for tablets rather than laptops or very small laptops. So just bear in mind that USB-C cable is limited. For tablets, it's fine. I've had no problems using it with the bigger iPads, the Honor tablet here, and the smaller iPad. So just bear that in mind. But one option would be to simply use it as a dock. So just fold down the stand and use it as a dock plugged into the Mac, which works perfectly fine. And you've easily got 2 terabytes of storage you can carry around with you inside the dock itself. And also you've got the ports then to expand it to a screen if you're out and about traveling. So I think for creators as a travel dock, it's great. I've not seen anything like this on the market, and it gives you the ability to use it with your tablet as well if you're taking it out and about with the tablet. So I think as an all-in-one device, it works really well. Just that one limitation is that cable, the size of the cable. So just bear in mind if you plan to use it with your laptop to get an extension for the USB-C to make it a bit longer. That's all you need to make it work. Okay, so I think that pretty much covers all the design of the dock. I think it looks really, really good. I haven't got any complaints about the performance or the functionality of it. It works really, really well. It's never let me down yet. I've used it for about 3 or 4 weeks. I've taken it away over Christmas with me and used it, and I really enjoy using it as a product. I think it works excellently. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. And remember, if you've enjoyed the review, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. It means everything. Thank you very much.